What's up, guys? Man, look at these fucking roads. Yes, today is like the 30th or something. Holy fuck. These are bad. I don't know if that window over there is down all the way. How's everybody doing? That window, my passenger window, is cracked enough to have pissed me off. Hope everybody's doing well. Yes, it is like frickin' Blizzard Town here. Like unbelievable Blizzard Town. Holy crap. 4-wheel drive doing about 45 miles an hour. Getting sucked in here and there. Oh, looks like some people had a good weekend. Shit. Come on. I don't want to go on that. Man, I just seen Tim's going live, so I'm going to try to make this short, maybe tune into that. Crazy shit weather. Jesus, I can't even keep this fucker straight. No power at the house. Had the Lincoln lamps lighting everything up, as I like to call them. We had oil lamps all over. A couple camping lanterns. Just getting ready. I was lucky to have one cup of coffee before everything shut down. Man, these roads are crazy. This weather is just nuts, guys. It's freaking nuts, man. It's supposed to be like 70 fucking degrees or something, right? At least 60 or 50 or something. Anyway, Tim's Kim sent me a couple pictures of Blue. Man, that was cool to see. He has gotten huge. I've been shy. I haven't been on YouTube like at all lately. I've been working like a madman. I don't know if you guys know about it. I know I mentioned it before, but this paper mill in Escanaba is like, it's like a serious health crisis. They just added 5 more cases of blastomycosis and they said it was from, holy fuck, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Come on. Take the steering wheel, Jesus. Lead me home. Anyway, 5 new cases from visitors, contractors, and employees. Well, I'm a contractor. Let's hope I don't get no blastomycosis. 105 cases, or 109 cases, I'm sorry. Up to 109 cases. But that's about it. I'll let you guys go. Focus on driving and other things. Love you all. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Hope the sun's shining for you. Holy fuck. A little more than it's shining for me. Damn, I was like hitting a wall. It just like stopped my truck. Jesus. Jeez, old Pete's. All right, folks. Love you. Peace.